Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
Hi, good evening. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good.
My name is Amala. Currently, I'm working as a career counselor with Infigon Futures. I'm residing in Bangalore, and coming to my prior work experience, I worked as a HR manager with a corporate company, and I close to 7 years of experience I have. And later, due to personal reasons, I had to quit my full-time job. Later, I conceived and I have a small baby. Due to all of these reasons, I could not continue with a full time job. The main reason I chose career counseling because I just wanted to guide people to choose the right career path. When I was studying in my college and school days, nobody was there to guide me in a proper way. So nobody told me what career I have to choose and what opportunities I'll have in future and nothing. So that was one reason I could not pursue my career in a good way, the way I wanted to. So now I don't. I want to like I want to guide the younger generation in a correct path. That is one reason I wanted to become a career counselor. The first thing I was looking for is mainly I wanted to become an entrepreneur, and I wanted to do something from my own space. I don't want to go to full time office and travel and waste my energy and time and all. I didn't want to face this office politics and all of that. So I wanted to do independently, and also I wanted to do something on my own. I felt this is something, if I start with something like this career counseling, so slowly I can set up my own office and own company, and I can also hire employees under me, all of this. And yeah, since I was always interested to guide people, and based on my personality traits, I feel I can be a good counselor and guide. That was one thing I wanted to choose this. And also I came across some ads on Instagram, so I just clicked on the call back button, and I got a call back from a couple of institutes. But I felt Infigon was more impressive. The way they explained the program, they shared the brochure, and the approach was really good, and it was really interesting. Even the business plan what they have is really nice, because other institutes are not giving us with this business plans and all the website and the everything. Even the way they support, everything was very impressive. Our trainer was very kind. She was knowledgeable. She gave proper examples, and also everything. The way she explained it was not only for the course related, it was also even in our lives, like we can implement certain things. Uh, the training was really impressive, and even the trainer was very knowledgeable, and she was supportive. Apart from the it's not only the course related what she guides. Even if apart from the course also, if I have any personal issues or any issues with the Infigon or whatever, she was always trying to help us. She was always trying to be supportive and kind. That was very nice of her. The Infigon mainly gave us the website.
Hmm.
So it is in our own name, and it also explained the website is also very easy to access. And so they also took me through the website, like how to access the site and how does it help me and everything. So this way, I think, yeah, Infigon
Okay.
helped me. So I started my course with Infigon in December 2024. So I completed in 3 months of time. As they promised, they gave me the proper training, and they were more focused on my personal convenient time also, because I have a baby, and sometimes I cannot join to the group. So trainer was so kind to conduct booked a separate class for me, and as per her promise, she just completed in the right time. And post that, she also guided me for the. She took the mock test and everything, and I just gave my exams, and I cleared my certification in time. And after that, the team was very coordinative and supportive. They used to call me regularly. Even the team conducts on weekly calls and to know the updates. And they also share some inputs on how to get more leads. It's not that only till the training time. It's not that only during the training they will be in touch, and later it's not that way. Infigon so far is in touch with me. They're constantly giving me the guidance and support and everything. Enrollment was simple. I just received couple of calls, and I went through the brochures they shared, and I had discussion with multiple people. After that, also I got a call from different institutes as well, but I was not so impressed with the career counseling program what they have, and majorly. And also this Infigon also gave me EMI options to enroll. That was very helpful for me to pay in 2 EMIs and all of that. So that is how I enrolled to Infigon. Yeah, website is actually quite easy and accessible. It is like even the person who is newly using the browser and website, and also they can also be able to access the website, and they have given the callback options, and they've given everything in detail about the counselor also, like the counselor's achievements and everything. It was easy, and website is easy to access and easy to understand, user friendly. So yeah, I like the website also. The main thing is, like as I already mentioned, I want to make an impact in every child's life, at least to some children. I wanted to guide some children in to choose the right path, and I'm planning to start working from like high school. I want to focus on the students from class 7 or 8. From there only they get confused on which stream to choose and which college to go, and see, parents also will not have much idea. So it's career counseling is really important for students. Challenges will be definitely there in any business. If you take it's not easy to start up any business like that. So challenges will be there. Getting the leads is little difficult, but since the team is constantly in touch and sharing more inputs on how to generate leads, I think it should be easy in the coming days. Initially, yes, it will be there. Challenges are there. I don't deny that. But without challenges, I don't think so anything is possible. When it comes to me, if I take my example only, my parents were not so aware of the so many courses are there, like thousands of courses are there, thousands of career opportunities are there. We were not aware. This is the main challenge, like a lot of us face, because and we don't know what is actually our interest itself. We the psychometric test is actually really helpful, because it will show whatever interest we have. It will show us in a clear way. It gives us a clear picture. And Indian parents are also not so much aware of the education system, and not so much aware of the courses and a lot of career opportunities. Everybody is just thinking engineering, doctor. Only these two streams are there, and so many of us are not supportive in the other streams. I think it's very important for us to guide them in a proper way, to give a good career path. So here in career counseling, what we basically do is, like, we approach students, we approach parents, and we also give an example. We give examples of them. We just try to understand what are their interests, what motivates them, and how does what exactly is their main talent and everything, and we just ask them to take the psychometric test. This test will actually help us to know them better, analyze the students' personality and everything better. Based on the personality, also we give them multiple career options. We have our system, right? So the Infigon has a system where we just based on the psychometric test results, the system will generate the results, and it will give certain career options. Based on that, we will prepare the career roadmap, and we will give the roadmap to the entire complete roadmap on like which one he has to pick the next war after that, like what he has to do next and how he has to go next, like that. We'll give the complete roadmap, and we'll give the clear picture basically. And yes, we will also be in touch with the student in case of any doubts, inquiries, and yes, this is how we are going to help and guide the students. Yes, so for those who are interested, see, I have my website. It is like Fortune Shapers at infigonfutures.com and .in. And my contact details also were mentioned in my website. And my email ID is also mentioned in my website. The contact number is 9538366312. And the email ID is fortuneshapers15@gmail.com. So all these details are mentioned, and yes, feel free to contact and get the help. So always there to help. Yes, definitely. I would definitely recommend Infigon certification program to others who are looking for this particular program, because Infigon has really good team who are supportive, and also the business pipeline is really interesting, and everything is good. Yeah, so far it is a good journey.
Okay.
Thanks to you people.
Thank you.